kitty down there.
There's violets in the yard, but nowhere else. In the yard.
Yeah, I know. Aren't they something?
Yeah, they're pretty though. So good afternoon on this beautiful Saturday morning, and I'm here in Maryland right now with chainsaws and wood chippers going off. It's the most brilliant sound in the world. Oh, Peggy! Peggy's enjoying the light. So, I am 2 days overdue on vlogs. I'm sorry, it was the traveling that got to me, so I'm going to upload them today. My grandparents are here, so we're going to spend some time with them. It is reluctantly nice out today. Like, I'm in shirt sleeves and not in a jacket. It's that nice. I don't know why we're not focusing. I need to buy a new camera soon. This one soon had it.
All you have to do is switch it over and it just goes.
It's on now, so turn it on.
Okay.
Look at this sleepy baby and look at his new shoes.
Spare battery in the bag.
Look at those new shoes.
Oh, he's fine. He can actually. Barely, they only
Get the puppy! Look! Get that puppy!
Oh, okay. I guess we're all caught up, so.
You might like that dog that Blake had, that barking dog that did the flips and stuff. He turned it on. And then it flipped over.
That's so.
I gotta call him on Tuesday. So whenever you get back, just give us a call.
And what's the matter with the dog? What do you think about that, Peggy? I don't know, it makes noise now.
It's your bed.
No.
There. There.
No, I don't want it anymore. Look at her.
Does that feel good? Huh?
Hey, look at Jacob.
What? 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 Am I giving the dog attention and not you? Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna do what you're doing.
Pretty puppy. Pretty puppy, Jacob.
He just wants to do what you're doing.
Teach him the right thing. Okay.
What is that, Jacob? What is that?
Yeah.
Puppy.
What do you think, Peggy?
I think Jacob will crawl to go see Baby.
Maybe.
Let's see.
You want to put down the... Is that so? You just like talking, don't you? Yeah. You want to say goodbye? You want to say goodnight? That all? Are you watching TV? Finding Nemo's on TV. Still there? Well, you're the one put yourself there. There you go. Does that work? Escape. Time to go to sleep, right, Jacob? You don't do that because you're full of energy right now. Good night. Good night, sleepy person on the couch.
I'm just laying down.
Good night.